This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Paul Davis Restoration.
We know their work. Many of us hope we never need it. Paul Davis is known for showing up after a fire, a flood, or storm. In other words, on one of the worst days a homeowner can face.
But what happens after the damage is gone? Well, for Paul Davis of Delmarva, that's where a new chapter begins, turning restoration into renovation. And you don't need a disaster to call. Whether your family is growing, life is changing, or you simply want a space that fits you better, Paul Davis is helping homeowners reimagine their homes from the inside out.
For more than 60 years, Paul Davis has built its reputation on what's been lost.
Typically, it's water, fire, mold. It's what we typically take care of. It's kind of been the core of our business. Coming in the front door, you go see it from the back.
Nice.
But being inside so many homes has opened the door to something bigger, full-scale remodeling.
A large part of it is bringing the customers' aspirations to life and their thoughts and put them on paper. And then we get asked a lot of, what's trending now, what's the newest thing, what's in, what's out. So we're trying to put all those things together, but we're taking it from beginning to end and helping the customer go ahead and expand upon their most valuable investment, which is their home.
This Georgetown home is one example. Built from the ground up in about 4 months, it reflects a shift in design trends, moving away from whites and grays and embracing warmer, earthier tones.
You see some gold trim, you see a lot of gold accent. So brushed gold is kind of making a little comeback, so we wanted to see how it went, and it went very well, and it sold very quickly.
But new construction is only part of the story. What they're seeing most right now is homeowners choosing to stay put and improve what they have.
We're getting a lot of people that want to stay in their home for a multitude of reasons. They love the area, their house isn't large enough, their house is too small, they want to go ahead and expand, so they want another bedroom to the home. Do they want to age in place? So you have a lot of families coming back to live, so they need additional bedrooms. We're finishing a lot of basements now. That we're seeing a big trend in that picking up as well. People are taking advantage of their current situation and the equity they have and just expanding upon what they currently have.
That expansion often starts in the kitchen, along with living rooms, sunrooms, and outdoor spaces.
Where we spend a lot of our time, kitchens, living rooms, sunrooms, converting decks into porches, porches into sunrooms, sunrooms into additional living spaces. So it kind of has a trend going that way. But kitchens is probably where we've gained a lot of traction, and outdoor living.
Open concepts remain popular. Created shared spaces for families, while thoughtful layouts keep the primary bedroom tucked away for privacy.
So we do a flat 1x4.
And technology is changing the process.
We can actually, after we scan the space, we can apply different SKU numbers, different tile backsplashes and countertops, build it right from our computers to say this is what it'll look like with the selections that you've made.
But whether they're rebuilding after disaster or remodeling by choice, the philosophy stays the same.
We've done it so many times, we've kind of refined it, and we get to see what people enjoy. And that's what I love about my job.
A job that gives homeowners the help they need to write their next chapter.
And you just heard Brian talking about how you can get a look at your space before construction. The Paul Davis team can digitally scan your space and build your design using advanced software. And if you would like to connect with the team, we have information on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Click on What's Happening Today.
Pretty amazing what they can do. They can show you what it'll look like.
It makes it so much easier to make those decisions.
It really does.